Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I will get you subscribed to our channel, let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today we've got the NXT Topps 2021 Trading Cards Hobby Box. This has got 2 autographs in it, so I'm excited to see what the NXT cards gives us. Before I get to that, leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 3 drawings. One for our Digital Weekly giveaway. You see these Adam Appetite cards that we get out of our food fight breaks. We scratch up the code in the back, we get a digital wax pack, and we're giving away some of those digital premium cards out of there. All you got to do is leave a comment below to be entered in that drawing. If you haven't set up your wax wallet, check out the tutorial at the end. We do a step-by-step, real simple, real easy. Your kid could do it for you. Just set that up. It's free of charge. Get your .wham name. When you do, leave it in the comments below. I'm going to hook you up with some free base cards just to get you started. Our second drawing is going to be for our monthly, and our third will be for this Flawless Briefcase giveaway. This sucker is stuffed full of parallels, number cards, sapphire cards, graded cards, one-of-one sketch cards, printing plates, and a whole boatload of autographs, because with every break that we do, we throw in an autograph card. And today, I'm going to be throwing in a Kari Sane commemorative championship plate patch, and that is numbered 36 of 99. That's from the NXT. And I'm throwing in a fresh ink Quincy AC autograph. So these 2 are going into the Flawless Briefcase. Boom! All right, let's get started. Let's see what we get. Here we go. I like we did some of the WWE women's breaks, women's WWE women's division breaks. Those are pretty cool. If you guys haven't seen those, I highly recommend you check out those videos. We got a sweet 101 card in that. You'll have to check out the video to see that winner. And then we did pretty well with that. I think we've got 2 101 hits. Can't remember. But check that out. It was pretty cool. Fun break. Is there something under here? Nope, just cardboard. Alrighty. Ooh, this one looks thick. Does that look thick to you? We'll make that the last pack. Maybe it's a really good one. Or maybe it's just really messed up. We'll see. Here we go. Pack number 1, NXT. We get 7 cards. And we got a Corian Cross defeats Leon Roof. Pretty cool. Oh, these are pretty similar to the women's division WWE cards. NXT 58. It's a parallel card, I believe. Trent 7. NXT 57. Parallels look normal. We'll pull out the really, really cool parallels. This is also a parallel. Beast in the East. Really like it better when they do the parallels that are like, they're parallels. Like there's no mistaking that this is a parallel. Gotcha. Either it's a thick card or it's like some kind of refractor or prism. I'm like, oh, I think we got one. Oh, we got a couple. We number them. So we got a purple Keith Lee retains the NXT North American Championship. Is it numbered? It's not numbered, but it is a purple kind of parallel, I guess. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So this one's not numbered. This one is. This one is 17 of 50. 17 of 50. Roderick Strong defeats a Bronson Reed. So that's the number 1 card. Parallel. Suave. We are NXT. Robert Stone. Not too familiar with the NXT guys. You guys will have to let me know if I pull out a really good one or if I miss a numbered card or something. Purples aren't numbered. Good to know. Curious as to what our autographs are going to be. Another purple parallel. Finn Balor defeats Timothy Thatcher. I do like how they put the dates on there. That's kind of cool. Marina Shafir. Jake Atlas. So it's a mixture of the men and the women's lead. Pete Dunne returns. This guy is folding chairs. And then we got, I don't know, guys with shirts on their heads. Can't see you, Marco Polo. Okay. Ringside Marco Polo. That's a whole lot of dude. Dave Mastiff. Bobby Fish. Raw Riddick Moss. Nice. Gives their stats and their weights. Has a shiny belt. I like how they give you 2 autographs per a box. We're coming up on autograph here soon. High five. Got a purple parallel. That guy looks happy to be there. Io Shirai. That looks like it's gonna hurt. All right, what are you guys thinking of these NXT cards? I think they're similar to the WWE Women's Division, but I think the parallels are cooler in the WWE, at least so far. Here we go. Rookie card. Indy Hartwell, NXT. I like the rookie cards. Hayden Carter. He's got some creepy eyes. Riddle. Interesting, interesting. So we want to get a rookie card auto. That would be the good ones to get. And we've got purple Adam Cole defeats Dexter Lumis. Raquel Gonzalez. Doesn't that look fun? Ooh, is that going to be an elbow or a booty in the face? He's like, no! Finn Balor defeats Damian Priest. Alright, dang. We're about to hit some serious back-to-back autos. Got a purple parallel. Roderick Strong defeats Dexter Lumis. And Oni Lorcan, he's happy to be there. Kyle O'Reilly. Not seeing many that only have a 1 rookie card hit so far. So rookie cards in this will be few and far in between. Jacqueline Wild. Dakota K. She looks mad. We got 2020 Finn Balor. Karen Cross attacks Tommaso Ciampa. Who's the hot? Who are the hot wrestlers in this series? Let me know in the comments. If you follow wrestling, I gotta know. Who are the hot ones? These guys just want some belts. Gotta let me know who the hot ones are. Whoa! Here we go. We got a hit. We've got a hit. Austin Theory. Authentic autograph. That's an on-card auto. And that is 13 of 50. 13 of 50 for that Austin Theory NXT auto. Congratulations. Now you now own an authentic We Are NXT autograph card. Austin Theory. Weighs 220 pounds and he's from Atlanta, Georgia. So our first auto, we got an Austin Theory card. Okay. 13 of 50 for that auto. Whoa! That looks like some heavy duty rolling. Okay. NXT North American Champion Johnny Gargano defeats Leon Ruff. Purple parallel. Fandango. Bronson Reed. Finn Balor defeats Timothy Thatcher. We got a couple of boxes of these. We figured we'd do a wrestling weekend here. I hope you're liking the wrestling weekend that we've had going on here. Did the women's division, and now we're closing it out with these NXT cards. You guys gotta let me know. You digging these, or you want to see more women's wrestling? Let me know in the comments. We'll see if we can accommodate you. Use the NXT hobby boxes to finish out the wrestling week. Looking forward to the Topps, the AWE cards that are coming out soon. Those look interesting. 4-way Iron Man match. So I guess Finn Balor is a pretty popular dude. Who's your favorite character? Who's your favorite wrestler? Looks like there's a bunch of different cards you can get in here. A platinum card, Fit Balor tribute autograph card. So the platinum cards are the one you want to get. Okay. Here's to hoping we get a platinum or a one-on-one. Looks like we got something. We got a Scarlet. Adam Cole. Riddle defeats Timothy Thatcher. And a really weird type of Back to the Future card. That's Kushida. Collect all of the Migs Media illustrated art cards. It's an illustrated art card. It's not a sketch card. Is it a hit? Possibly. Maybe. Okay. Art card. What are the art cards? We got sequentially numbered cards. Blue, red, 1 in 95. Blue is 1 in 48. Gold is 1 in 238. Platinum is 1 in 2,377. Finn Balor, alumni, media illustration card is 1 in 9. Okay, so not that big of a deal. We Are NXT. Escobar. Oh, very nice. Okay, now when you get cards, the lower the number, the better, of course. But we got a green Ridge Holland on-card auto, and that is a beautiful autograph, dude. And that's a rookie card, 85 of 99. 85 of 99 for the Ridge Holland autograph rookie card. So we got a 1350, but this is the rookie card. So I'm calling the rookie card as the better version of what you would want to get as far as cards go. We got 3 more packs. Keith Lee. Jake Atlas defeats Tony Nessie. All right. Zeeley. And we got a rookie card. I will not even attempt to put the set to these. These have so many different weird parallels. And they're not standout parallels, you know what I mean? Like a refractor parallel or something. Purple card. And Candice LeRae. Fabian Aichner. It's a big dude. All right, last pack. This one felt weird. See if it gives us anything cool. Marion Cross. Whoa! We got a Piper Niven rookie card. Piper, that is a big girl. And then we got an art card. Okay, all right. What'd you guys think? Here's our 2 autograph hits. We got one other numbered card, so let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll have some more NXT coming up here if you guys are digging these. Nice cards, decent, similar to the WWE Women's Division. I don't know, I think I like the little belts and stuff and the cool cards we get out of there a little bit better. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and more wrestling cards coming up.